I'm Snehal Pradhan. I first played for my state in the year 2000. In 2005, India under 21, and in 2008, India. Now I want to share my experience with you. Welcome to Cricket How To.
Welcome back to Cricket How To. I'm Snehal Pradhan. Today I was planning to show you how to grip the bat. But before that I need to answer a more basic question. Should you grip the bat right or left-handed? First we need to understand that cricket is a top hand dominant game. Don Bradman had said, irrespective of the shot you play, the top hand must always remain firm. The bottom hand comes into the picture only when we play cross-batted shots and lofted shots. But the top hand remains firm for every shot. But in a traditional batting stance, our naturally dominant hand, which in my case is my right hand, becomes the bottom hand of the bat. If I was left-handed, in a traditional left-handed batting stance, my naturally dominant left hand would become the bottom hand on the bat. So why not make our naturally strong hand the top hand on the bat? Actually, a number of players already bat like this. You all probably know that Sachin Tendulkar is naturally left-handed. He writes with his left hand, eats with his left hand, and in his stance, the left hand becomes the top hand on the bat. Sourav Ganguly bowls with his right hand, throws with his right hand, and in his stance, his right hand becomes his top hand on the bat. Matt Renshaw, Michael Clarke, and Ben Stokes also fall into the same category. For example, take the Australian team that's participating in the Champions Trophy 2017. Out of the 15 players, 6 of them bat left-handed. That's about 40%, whereas only about 10% people in the world are naturally left-handed. But this is not something we see with the Indian team. Why is that? The reason is this. When any kid goes to cricket coaching for the first time, the first thing they are taught is to pick up a bat that is lying on the ground. That becomes their grip. The problem is, they pick it up like this, with the handle down and the blade up. If we hold the bat up like this, the way a sword is held, then it's natural that our naturally strong hand will come near the shoulder of the bat. But the problem is, we don't play cricket like this. We play cricket like this. When taught to pick up a bat like this, it's natural that your strong hand, naturally dominant hand, becomes the bottom hand on the bat. My grip is like this too. But don't worry if you've been gripping the bat like this all these years. With practice, you get used to it. There's absolutely nothing wrong with gripping the bat this way. Take Virat Kohli for example. Right-handed throwing, right-handed bowling, and his right hand is the bottom hand. But if you're a new player who's just starting to learn cricket, try this out. Place the bat against the wall and pick it up like this. Be sure to always keep the handle pointing up. You'll notice that the strong hand, naturally dominant hand, automatically becomes the top hand. If you try to hold the bat near the shoulder, you won't have space to move it. But holding it at the top becomes a long lever, which is good for batting. What I'm basically suggesting is that all natural right-handers bat left-handed and natural left-handers bat right-handed. It may sound a little strange, but it makes sense. This way, your top hand naturally becomes firm and bottom hand naturally remains loose. You'll need to practice less to make sure that your top hand remains firm in every shot. So if you're just starting out cricket, try this out. If you like it, if it feels comfortable, go for it. If you've been playing for a long time already and have been using a traditional stance, there's absolutely no problems. That's today's Cricket How To. If you found this useful, click the like button. Subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell notification icon so you won't miss a single episode of Cricket How To. I'll see you next time. I'm Snehal Pradhan.